go. Recording's going.
So our project, we decided to create a stock market simulation, which we called Stockify. This is a basic stock market simulation model where it allows users to buy and sell stocks and experience the stock market in a semi-realistic way to how it actually runs. This way it allows people who aren't super familiar with the stock market to learn more about it in a simple way.
Okay. So this is our project. So as Victoria was saying, you know, we buy and sell stocks in a somewhat realistic manner. So when we first open up the program, it asks us for a username and starting cash amount. So 10,000. And then, so in this, you can view, buy, and sell, as well as advanced day, which would update the market prices. So we're just gonna, you know, view the market. And we have a few companies that have different price ranges for their stocks. So we'll buy some Oscorp stock, and we have this kind of offer system that gives you a random chance of getting a little bit lower, a little bit higher than the stock price. So we'll choose one which is cheapest. We'll buy solid 4 of them, and then if we're done selling stock for the day, we can advance. See, so we advance a day. This will like update the stocks, and so a little bit different. Now we can maybe sell our Oscorp stock. Sell like 3 of them, and then yeah, we can view what. Yeah, we actually lost a decent amount of money, but yeah, it's about the game.
So for the classes themselves, we just kind of decided to make it into modules. So the first one we'll talk about is user.py. This is what kind of represents the character or the user who's playing it. So in this case, it was Chad. It'll tell us what stocks he's bought, the name, and the amount of cash he has left. And so every time you buy stock, sell stock, it goes through this module. And then, yeah, that's about it for this module. For the stock module, that's just the objects of the individual stocks. So this has information like the name, the price, and then if it's owned or not, and if so, then how many are owned. And this is like where we wrote like a string method, equals method. And this is just basically the setting price and just the simple stock. The most complicated one is the stock market.py. This is kind of simulating the whole market. So this has all the stocks in it. It has the chance of, or if it's a market crash or a boom, and then it has the stock names. And this is where we update overnight the different values. So when you advance the day, it goes and it either checks if it's a boom or a bust, and then does following. So basically there's, I guess Caesar will talk more about this, but we're just trying to market it or like model it so that overnight things change and there's new stuff to do, which is how the stock market is in real life. So if Caesar, you want to.
And that was the most difficult thing we kind of faced in the project, and we kind of solved it in an intuitive but not too complicated way. So basically there's a chance that either the market will boom or crash, and both kind of methods work pretty similarly. So basically we create a variable called random chance. And if that falls within a predetermined range, we multiply the stock prices, causing them to either crash or boom. Similarly, there's a chance a stock will be volatile or not very volatile based on its price. So for example, if it's a stock with a lower price, the chance of it being volatile is greater than the chance of it not being volatile, if that makes sense. If there's a larger price, like say Amazon, the chance of it being volatile is lower than the chance of it not being volatile. And that's pretty much how we simulated the realism aspect of it.